How to make camping a fun adventure. Camping can be one of the most affordable ways to get out of the home and have a good time with the family. If you are looking for a way to enjoy some time away from home with your family, camping may be just what you are looking for. Use the tips below to begin planning. Pre-cool your ice chest by filling it with loads of ice, at least 6 hours prior to departure. When you are about to leave, pack up your refrigerated cooled drinks and block ice, not cubed. Popping room temp beverages will take up valuable ice life, and the cubes will melt much quicker than a block. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Figure out your new gear before you go camping. The practice does really help. No one wants to get to the campground, only to find out that they don't know how to use something or set up their own tent. Practice with your new gear before you ever set foot on the campground. You need to maintain your cleanliness while camping. Good hygiene is difficult when you are camping sometimes, but you can keep yourself clean. A bottle of hand sanitizer is excellent to have so you can clean hands before eating. You can also use rubbing alcohol on areas of your body that are not sensitive. A mild biodegradable soap and a sponge can be used to take mini baths when water resources are low. You can make tasty meals even when you are camping. You do not necessarily need to eat just franks and beans or hamburgers. Pack a box with herbs and spices, olive oil, brown sugar or whatever else you like. You can fix meals that have flavor even when you are roughing it. To avoid blistered and chapped feet on your camping trip, bring a bar of soap along. Prior to any lengthy walk, rub the soap into the heels of your socks and this will minimize friction, thus reducing soreness. Keep the soap in your pocket for a quick dose when your feet start feeling beat up or blistered. Now that you are aware of some of the best tips you can get about camping, you are on your way to enjoying the outdoors with your family. Make use of the tips so you do not find yourself in a miserable trip that you wish you could get out of. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.